just passed a sign that said very crooked and steep next 3 miles. Well, I know that that's what's down this way, so I'm kind of expecting it. Now, when you're riding around the Ozarks, if you haven't ridden in this area, I highly recommend doing the 187 Beaver Dam Little Golden Gate loop. It's up there near Eureka Springs, and it takes about an hour. It'll get your feet wet, and you get the idea of what you're going to be dealing with a little bit further down the road, a little bit out. And yeah, problem is a lot of these roads, like this turn right here, is a very tight switchback type of road. Now you don't want to hit this road very fast, and look at the signs, 10 miles an hour. You don't want to hit those turns very fast. You want to take it nice and easy. And there you go, another switchback. Now, I know that some people favor the left side, some people favor the right side, but it doesn't matter on these switchbacks, because you better be able to favor both sides, because believe me, they will turn left, they will turn right, and they have a very tight radius, and you can get into a world of hurt thinking one of those is one of these. And it comes along really fast, and you may not be able to control it. Some guys like to think, oh, I can handle it, I can handle it. Well, you know what? I've been riding in these parts off and on for a few years now, and I'm still very leery of getting too much speed built up. Another thing I want to talk about is the fact that, see, you have other bikes on the road. See that double yellow line there? That double yellow line means don't cross. Sometimes you're looking in your mirror trying to figure out where somebody is, and you're coming up on one of these curves, and you find out that it's one of those tight radius bends, and you're thinking it's one of these little sweepers like this, and you go across the line. That's not acceptable riding in these parts, believe it or not. Yeah, everybody understands it's going to happen from time to time. Let's face it, it's going to. You can't get away from that. But you really need to be hyper vigilant on these roads. Another little thing is, you see how far ahead I can see there? Now, yeah, it's fun to zip through these roads at warp 9, but you don't know what's on the other side of that. Coming up to 215, excellent. You don't know what's on the other side of that. Alright, you don't know what's around the curve. I mean, look at that curve. There could be a stalled bike right just past that curve, and I'd never know it. Get yourself out, get yourself in, make yourself visible as long as possible in the curve so oncoming traffic can see you. All kinds of things like that you gotta do. Now, granted, when you're riding with a group, you may not be able to. But hey, you know, it's not only you, it's the family that you leave behind you gotta be thinking about. So when you come down to STO or any of the motorcycle rallies, ride smart, ride safe. Talk at you later. Bye.